What's up, guys? The boss Hannes coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Are we there with another?
Ça son ti kaka bouilli la. Fem pa kon ki moun ki pral manger bae, ça me bae la pa bel non.
Oh! Banger! But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Good morning, peeps. Today is Wednesday, the 2nd of June, 2021. If you're alive and you see this, that means say you have purpose. You know what I mean? God ain't done with you. So put a smile on your face and stop looking like that. Anyway, peeps. Big up on yourself. No itching. Make we get right into the video right now and see what I go on.
On the phone and not say nothing. This is emergency. This is something them do all the damn time.
Hello?
Hello, yes. Me need assistant at Blueberry Corner, Islington, St. Mary. This is a car accident.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force strongly recommends that all Jamaicans...
Them can't just move him just so. I head him a bleed out of him nose, you know. Them can't just move him so.
Hello?
Yes, me need officer at Blueberry Corner.
Where is Blueberry Corner?
Islington, St. Mary.
What's happening there?
Excuse me?
What is happening there?
Yes, a car accident. Individual spun out of control, hit a pole and then hit a wall. And out of shock, he flew out of his vehicle and bleeding out of his nose.
Alright, don't hang up the phone here. Don't hang up.
Yo, no move yet, big man, no move yet. No man, no make him move just to do, man. You know, let's make him sit up. Make him sit up.
Frequent washing of hands and sanitization. Wear a mask in public places and avoid... Jamaica Constabulary Force strongly recommends that all Jamaicans take all the necessary precautions to reduce the risk of contracting the COVID-19 infection. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Frequent washing of hands and sanitization. Go ahead, sir. Talk to the police.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I need an assistant. An individual spun out, hit a light post, and then hit a wall at Blueberry Corner in Islington. Bleeding out of his nose.
He might bleed out his nose?
Yes.
Is he carrying you back to the hospital?
No, vehicle unable to move.
No, there's nobody in the area.
If anybody in the area, there's well, we don't really want to move him unless if somebody skilled around the place, you know, because there's something worse happened to him than whoever take fault.
If what?
There's something worse happened to him. This is a head trauma.
But we don't have ambulance.
So you tell me, say nobody up there no certify we can deal with something like this?
Is there a police station here?
Yeah, this is nobody up there no trained to deal with something like this in case of emergency. No CPR or paramedics or somebody not trained up there.
Sir, what time after that took place?
Just a while ago, right now. Not even 5 minutes yet.
At 2 o'clock a curfew time.
At 2 o'clock a curfew, and this is an essential worker. It's a floor contractor that's on the road. Right now, because of that, about 40 people left on the road.
Never forget, one vehicle, we don't know nearby. We call a while ago, this is the command center. We are sending Fort Murray.
Backside. They don't try to put him on a vehicle. Anybody can carry him, carry him go down there?
Alright, do that then.
Alright. Them say them can't, they say come Fort Murray.
A joke thing this. Yo, so you see, if in Jamaica, if you're in trouble, if you can't do it by yourself, dog me a supper because the Jamaican police, they gonna lay you down.
Ah, Jesus, wait. Men, this is a banana. We boil and mash it with butter and yam it. This is a carrot. We use it to make juice, or we put in our soup, or anything else where you want to do with the vegetable or whatever. This is a cucumber. We use them with detoxifying juice, or we use them with salad. None of them is not a penis. Uno take it backside out on the pants on the brief and top take picture and make with things that something else because it's not. Uno tappy. And you know what, Ermi? When we reach in the yard, bop, and that we get. And if that we get, pop. And that we get. On the tappy. Look there, look there, look there, look there. On the tappy. Tappy, 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 tappy. Oh!
What? Yeah, peeps, you know it's a short one, but guess what? I keep the pot bubbling and ting and ting. Yeah. So my comments, how me think about the police situation in Jamaica, it very bad because here the man in a situation like that, normally what I think them wanna do are probably automatically transfer you. I'm hoping Jamaica should have a system like this to the next one, to the next available police station. So after I explain all of that to them can't help at the end of the day. Them have nobody who can assist or specialize in looking at a person like this. And what I know and what should have really happen when they make the report, them gonna make a phone call. The police would have make a phone call to like a paramedic unit or a firefighter unit and all them stuff. They're not you. That is part of their job also too. That's why they need to have a customer care representative at the front desk or somebody who can answer it and do these things to assist you. Suppose it's a situation where the person was talking. The person who attacked at them meeting at the accident and then broke up on the ground and stuff like that, and nobody never did, and he make the phone call. What you gonna do? Then say you can't help him and hang up the phone. They're not even willing to help. Cause the man say, yeah man, try find somebody to assist him. Go somewhere, man. Do that. Man, look like him not even the one up on the phone. And all them thing, the big man thing, I can't even share experience where teeth did come in for we one time, way back in the past. It's a long time. We call and them never forward. They call to the next police station, them just say, this is the wrong police station. You call. And man did there in the house, gunman did in the house. And all them stuff there. Them little disgusting ways there, and that's why people don't depend on the police. And that's why this is a jungle justice in Jamaica now gonna start, because nothing is being dealt with properly. It's a sad thing, but you just can't depend on Jamaican police. Big man thing. That's just my thoughts still. That's just my thoughts. Maybe I'm wrong, but in a lot of circumstances you just can't depend on them. You know what I mean? But anyway, peeps, that's my 2 cents. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. Thank you very much for watching the video. And just go on journey with your boy. Ashoo! Hey!
Releasing dopamine.